Hey, how's it going? Austin here. So in this video, we're going to talk about the fact that all of crypto is about to go insane. I'm not making this up. I'm not pulling this out of thin air. I've got something very, very interesting to show you that is a chart that has a lot of history around it. And we're going to talk about that. And I'm also really talking about now altcoins. I'm talking about the rise of all of the major altcoins, all of the blue chips, right? And all of, the rest of crypto. And that's what we're going to talk about because that's what we need. We need this rally that we're in the middle of to now, what I call bleed over into, the Cardanos and the Polka Dots and the Polygons and the XRPs and Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, et cetera, of the world. Okay. And that's what we're going to talk about. So this is mega. I like that word, crypto news. As always, hit that subscribe and hit that like button below, please. I would greatly appreciate it. So what is it I want to show you? Well, right now, as of the recording of this video, crypto has crossed over 1,800,000,000,000. And I've been doing videos, guys, for the last couple of days talking about the fact of don't miss out on this, don't sleep on this, and that the bull run really kind of starts with a whimper, not with a bang. I think the expectation out there is that people look up and Bitcoin's gone up 30% in one day, or Cardano's gone up 100% in one day. That's not how it starts. The move up is exactly what we are seeing, where we saw Bitcoin go from 42,000 now to 48,000. We saw Ethereum go from 2,200 to now 2,500, and so forth and so on. Okay, so that's what I'm really wanting to stress here to you. Okay, now what I want to share with you is this chart. I am a massive fan of Rect Capital over on X. They do a really, really, really great job. They do a great job of putting together very, very easy to and simple to understand visual charts. So back on January 25th, he said the signs were there right here. He said the signs were there for a Q4 altcoin hype cycle coming to an end. Now he's talking about the Q4 of 2023, which is right here represented in this. You see this Q4, and you see how we got this wave line, and then at the end of Q4, you see this black line, and you see you see crypto starting to go down, and that's what we saw. Crypto went down at the beginning of January. Okay, now, so, and if you go back and you look in 2023, we really did kind of flow like this on this chart right here. We flew like, flowed, flowed like this in 2023. Now, we're looking forward to 2024, which is what we're in now. He said, now the signs are here for a new Q1 first quarter of 2024, which we're in, right? Hype cycle beginning. And we're, again, the key word there being altcoin. Okay. And so if you look at where we're at, we are here. We're in the trough, if you will, the bottom part of this wave line. And then you see leading into April, moving up at a high. Now you do see we flow down. So April, May is right here, and then July. So we've got these kind of ebb and flow cycles, and that really is, again, representative of how crypto flows. You move up, you move down, you move up, and usually you're getting higher highs and higher lows along the way. Okay. And again, with the Bitcoin halving cycle coming in April, I've been showing this chart from Rect Capital for a while now. Blue box right here on the right. We are in the now accumulation phase, the rally phase for Bitcoin rolling into April 15th. Okay. If you go back and you look at history in 2020 over here on the left, in this blue box on the left side of the video, you'll see that Bitcoin went from basically around $3,000 and change north of 10 to 11,000. So almost a 3x there scenario. Okay. More than a 3x scenario, actually. Now, am I saying that Bitcoin's going to 3x from here? Am I saying that Bitcoin's going to go from 48,000 to 150,000 before April? I am not. Okay. That's not what I'm saying. I'm simply showing you that we have that chart that shows historically we have a rally leading into the Bitcoin halving. And then I want to focus you on the red box. Notice in the red box here in 2020, that is the post-halving resistance. Apologize. That's a consolidation. That's, remember, where we saw here. Okay, just to give you some visual here. Oh, that's not right. Sorry, excuse me, right here. What we saw right here, kind of rolling. So we have the halving here in April, right? And then we have that kind of move down in May. Now this is not showing a crash. That's not what this is. Okay. It's showing a higher high and then a little bit of a low, higher high, and then a little bit of a low. Okay. Just showing you. But that makes sense in the context, guys, of looking at, we could see again a dip in after the Bitcoin halving, where we move down into a little bit of a trough. We'll be at a higher high, but we'll move down a little bit. Okay. So that's the red box. All of the numbers and the data and kind of the visual aids here, as far as historical based fact, are lining up. And that's what I wanted to share with you in this video. Okay. So that's what we're seeing right now. Crypto is going to continue to roll up as we roll into April. We're going to see that. And then I wanted to share with you a couple of buy alerts, if you will. This is my software right here that's given a buy alert right here. You can see, I'll share it with you right there. And from that to that up there, it's 34% gain in 10 days. Chainlink. Links in the description below if you want to pick up my software. There's a 30-day no questions asked refund guarantee right here. You can see it. And there's also a discount code down there, which makes the software a little bit more than $1 a day. So that's a 34% gain. If you put $1,000 in 10 days ago, you would have made a profit of $344. $344. I can't talk today. Bitcoin, same thing, buy alert. And then we've got a right there to there. It's a 15% move up. Avalanche, buy alert. Continue to talk about that one, not rolling up as much. 25%. Solana, buy alert right there. Continue to kind of throw there, 15% up. XRP, not issued a buy alert yet. If you can see that. Yep, not issued a buy alert yet. I'm waiting for one to come in, but the data is not saying that it's the data is saying that it's not the right time yet. Okay. So links in the description below if you want to pick up that. Okay. If you want to check it out. As always, thanks for your time. Also, down there is a link to my Patreon, which I've started a new deal where I'm doing copy trading, where if you're interested in following my trades, what I'm buying and what I'm selling, you can check that out. Links down there. So link to my Patreon. There's a 7-day free trial for you as well. So you can check it out, look at everything. If you don't like it, you don't have to do anything. 7-day free trial. And if you decide to stay on, it's $20. So if you want to copy my trades when I buy and when I'm selling, I just issued a buy alert yesterday. It's not a buy alert. It's basically, hey, this is what I bought, if you will. Then you can check that out. Okay. So again, try it. If you like it, you don't. You could also direct message me on the platform and all that kind of stuff. I'll see you. Take care. Go make some money.